We are trying to photograph birds drinking sap. Let me show you some live views. In the stillness of a foggy dawn, the world awakens to a rhythm we rarely notice. A rhythm of survival, of stories untold. Over the next 3 days, we explore how birds live, eat, and thrive around us. From the sweet sap of the date palms to the hidden treasures of the wetlands, each bird's survival tells a unique story. Our journey begins with the date sap feeders, visitors drawn by the nectar of the trees. The streak-breasted woodpecker, methodically determined, claims its share with precision. We are trying to photograph birds drinking sap. Let me show you some live views. That is what my camera is recording. A red-banded bulbul drinking sap, and that's where the bird is, right there. For the red-whiskered bulbul, the sap is a sweet ritual shared in pairs. Above, the ring-necked parakeets hesitate, a silent debate, safety versus indulgence. The black drongo, swift and opportunistic, dives in without hesitation, mastering the art of quick survival. In the early mist, its silhouette becomes a fleeting symbol of resilience. On the edges of this scene, the chestnut-tailed starling quietly indulges, a guest at the date sap feast. But among these feeders, unwelcome guests wander, a reminder of nature's balance disturbed. The wetlands, a mosaic of life, comes alive at dawn. Here, food is abundant, but so is competition. As the fog lifts, the stage is set for nature's players. The open-bill storks wade through the shallows, their curved beaks perfect for extracting snails, a delicacy they pursue tirelessly. Nearby, godwits delicately probe the mud. Their long beaks find sustenance buried deep inside. Among the reeds, swamp hens share a rhythm of preening and feeding, a balance between self-care and survival. On the water's surface, pochards and gadwals bask in the morning sun, their calmness masking a constant search for food. As the sun rises, the wetlands transform into a vibrant table, a world where every creature finds its place. The white-breasted kingfisher, a hunter of unparalleled precision, showcases its mastery. Tossing its prey, it ensures a swift, clean meal. A step, a pause, a strike. But not every hunt ends in triumph. In the wetlands, it's important to know when it's time to move on. The white-breasted waterhen patiently and methodically scouts the haystack. A feast is present in every corner. The Eurasian Hoopoe or Hoopoe, a symbol of grace, sweeps through the ground, uncovering treasures buried beneath the soil. Its reward? A succulent grub, a testament to persistence paying off. From the persistent hoopoe to the bold kingfisher, every bird we encountered shared a story. A story of instinct, resilience, and survival. As the wetland bids us farewell, they leave us with a lesson. Life persists, no matter how challenging the path. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories like this.
আজকে পুরস্কৃতি আসার কারণ হচ্ছে কিংফিশার উইথ ক্যাচ, এবং সেই ছবি করানোর পুরো কৃতিত্ব হচ্ছে আমার পেছনে এই মানুষটার। মানে আশা ছেড়ে দেওয়ার পর থেকে আশা নেই, আশা।